So I gotta get this going with the jump pack to get to the shed that has the snowblower in it. Let's try it. This here's truck's a Ford F-150. It's been crustulated. Snows here a lot. A lot of snow this year. More than usual, I'd say. And it's got a dead battery, so I gotta put it on that little jumper pack. So I can get, like I say, to the snow blower, so I could get the snow that came off the roof of the house, so they can make a delivery. Now we'll get a cold start on this. Hasn't been started since, so I don't know, a couple weeks probably when I last moved it. Ford F-150, probably a small block 302. Well, the light's on, so let's see if there it is. If it'll start, probably won't. I haven't put it on the juice box yet. Yeah, right. Yep. So we gotta pop the hood here. I think it's popped, and hook up the juice box. All right. Let's see. AC power. Okay, so that's it. I guess so. Power on. I guess that's it. See if that'll fire her up. Okay, get the juice box here. A little better. Maybe I don't have it on right. Let me check. All right, try 2. All right. Gotta start. Go and unhook it. Maybe I should turn it off. I don't know. Power station. All right, let's see if we can get out of here. All right. Where are the lights on this? It's like a Dodge. It's a Ford. It's like a Dodge, but it's Ford. Let's see. Let's put it in second. Maybe I'll walk out of here. All right. Nice. All right, so she's out of here. So we'll let this old F-150 warm up a little bit. I won't bring the battery up, but it's probably good to do once in a while. Let the oil get through the bearings, let it warm up a little, and we're gonna go get the snowblower right about now. Unlock the shed and see if that old Ariens, or new old Ariens, will start right up. Yep, here it lies, like brand new. Still has the plastic on its deck. It's been used a couple, 2-3 times, but still like new, in my opinion. So check this out, everyone on YouTube who wants to see how you start one of these. You don't leave this plugged in. What you do is just to start this electric starter. So we do that. Gotta find the keys. Need keys, please, on this. Find your key. On. Let's see. Take that to start. You gotta give it a little juice to prime it. It's probably good. It's in. I guess there's no neutral. I guess whatever. It doesn't engage until you put these down. See if she kicks over. Take her out, but stuck. The doors, the ice is built up, and I need to get a pickaxe to open the doors now. I can't get it open more than, it's got a lock on it, but you know, I get about a foot I can squeeze in there. So I got this metal shovel is not going to be enough. Get some kind of pickaxe. That's the joys of living up north, you know. Just to even get to your tools takes a while.